All right, y'all, we're cooking that 15-gallon jambalaya today. It'll feed about 150 people. Hitting it with 15 pounds of smoked sausage. This is all, look at that, y'all, the sausage is all done. Check that out, time to get it up out of there with that big scoop. Ooh-wee, look at that. Ain't that pretty right there, y'all? Now we're gonna hit it with 15 pounds of boneless skinless chicken thighs going in. Look at there, baby. Frying that chicken all down in there in that sausage grease. All right, now we're gonna season it up. First up, we're gonna hit it with that Southern Boys right there. Go in there with that Southern Boys like that. Oh, yeah. Get that in there like that. Then we're gonna hit it with a little Lee and Perry. Drop that Lee and Perry on it like that. There we go. Man, smelling good, looking good. You know I gotta hit it with a little bit of that black pepper. Woo-wee. All right, let's get that a little quick turtle around right there. And now we're gonna cook that chicken down. All that chicken's all ready to come up out of there. Oh man, ain't that beautiful? Got that temple meat going in. Woo-hoo-hoo. That's 15 pounds of temple meat. We're gonna season it up with that Southern Boys love right there. Oh, get that Southern Boys all down in there on it. Woo-wee. Now we're gonna hit it with some black pepper. Oh, you know I love that black pepper. Oh yeah. Hit it with a little Lee and Perry in there like that. Hit it with that Dales. You gotta watch that Dales. You gotta watch that Dales. Hit it with that. Oh, look at here, baby. Oh, get all that mixed together. All that simple meat's all cooked now. We're gonna get it up out of there. Man. Now we're gonna hit it with 15 pounds of that Holy Trinity. Man. All right, see, that's the Holy Trinity right there. Get all up on that side. We're gonna get all that out. That's all flavor right there. Sprinkle around that top like that. Do that Holy Trinity up on there. See it? Look at that. That Holy Trinity's all cooked down, Brandy. Now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna hit it back with that pork. Oh, look at that beautiful pork going back in right there. Then we're gonna hit it with that sauce. Going back in there with that smoked sausage. Filling the pot up today. Get that mixed around. Look at that. The Holy Trinity mixing in there. We're gonna let that cook down for about 10 minutes. Here we go with that water. We're gonna add that water to it. Woo, man. Get that water in there like that. And we got 2 gallons of chicken broth going in. And we want to bring that there to a boil. Nobody likes a greasy jambalaya. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna drop that paper towels on there like that. We're gonna swirl it around. We're gonna get all that old grease out of that jambalaya like that. Hey, look at here, B. Being hit it with that brown sugar water. 1 bottle of that brown sugar water going in like that. Oh, you wait till it starts boiling and drop that in there. Now what we're gonna do, we gotta give it a little stir a little bit. Just mix it up, look at that. Oh man, don't that look so good? Now add the rice to it. That's 20 pounds of rice going in. Man, look at that. Now what we're gonna do, we're just gonna push it now. We're gonna push it. We just wanna make sure it ain't all clumped up. We ain't stirring it. We just kind of pushing it around like that a little bit. Now what we want to do, y'all, we want to cut that fire down. Let me get over here, B. We're going to cut that fire down on low. Low, low, low. Get it down there on low. There we go. Now, y'all, it's just a waiting game. Wait for that rice to tighten up, swell up, soak up all that good seasoning and everything. It's going to be jambalaya time here at Southern Boys Outdoors. All right, y'all, now it's time for the first flip. And on the first flip, what we're gonna do, we're gonna add that chicken back to it like that. Oh yeah, get that old napkin out there like that, all that old grease. Now we just added the chicken back to it. Now we're fixing to do the first flip. Y'all watch this. Ooh, look at here, B. Oh my goodness. Look at that, look at that. Just look at that, would you? Out like that, that's a pot full right there. Ooh-wee. Now we're gonna lid it up like that. Now we're just gonna let it sit for another 15 minutes and it'll be ready to serve. All right, B, get that lid over there. Woo! Look at that jambalaya right there. Here we go with a final flip right here. Look at that, B. Oh my goodness, don't that look so good? Look at that. Oh my goodness. All right, B, let me give me a little bowl of this right here. I say a little bowl, a little saucer of that right there. Look at that. Give me a piece of that chicken right there. Look at that, y'all. Let's try it out. Let's see how we did today. See how we did on that jambalaya. Mmm. 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 Look at that sausage. Mmm. Ooh. That's a jambalaya right there, y'all.